dragi naši branitelji, predstavnici 9. bojne KOS-a, Rafael Vitez Boban, a s posebnim zadovoljstvom mogu pozdraviti i pozdravljam vas, poštovana obitelji Crowley, i stvarno sam počašćen da smo se upoznali, znajući ono što je vaš otac napravio za našu domovinu, koliko je zapravo pokazao nama kako je zapravo bi trebao izgledati nekakav dom, da on nije bio predstavnik hrvatskog naroda.
Dear Prefect, dear other members of the county, and also the colleagues, the members, the veterans of the 9th Battalion of the Croatian Defense Forces, but particularly to you, Crowley family. I'm really pleased to be able to also greet you here in Split-Dalmatia County, and I wish you really to express the great consideration and thankfulness for the great deed which has been committed by your father, the late Thomas Crowley, who has really shown, has come to this country which was not the country of his origin, which was not his nation, but has shown what does it mean to love the country, to fight for the freedom, to fight with the full heart. So that's why he will never be forgotten.
Zapravo ovo je poruka koju grad Split, gradonačelnik Šuta i njegovi zamjenici, kolegica Matera i ja izražavam prema vama, i gradonačelnik se ispriča što nije mogao biti danas s nama, ali to ne umanjuje ono što je vaš otac Kače napravio za našu domovinu i još jednom vas zahvaljujem.
So I also speak this in the name of the whole city of Split, also especially in the name of the mayor of the city of Split, Mr. Shuta, who unfortunately couldn't have been here with us today, and his other deputy mayor, Mrs. Matea Dorčić. We all express our deepest gratitude and great consideration for everything that your father has done for Croatia, for our war of independence.
Thank you very much, sir. Yeah, it's an honor to be here.